This is a quick video to show you how to duplicate an existing B&D sectional garage door remote. For this operation, you will need a ballpoint pen. Take a pre-coded remote control and press the button you wish to duplicate. Using a ballpoint pen, press and hold the center button on the new remote for 3 seconds. Your opener will start flashing and beeping. On the new remote, press and hold the button you want to duplicate for 3 seconds, then release. Repeat this action. Hold for 3 seconds and release. Your remote is now duplicated and ready to use. Wait 10 seconds before testing. For more information, refer to the Quick Operations Guide at bnd.com.au or give us a call on 13 62 63.